Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today on my Z950 Sport, we are going to be installing a brand new windshield that was sent to me from 3 Star Industries down in Kentucky.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, girl on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
A few videos ago, we went down there, paid them a visit. We got to see the factory, meet the owners, meet the employees, kind of see what they were all about. I did take my 950 down there. They did some measuring, some test cutting. And we have the final product. So let's open it up and put it on, see how it works with the mirrors, see what the fit is like, let you guys know what we think of it. So we're going to remove the old windshield. I don't know if you can see the scratches and swirls on this one. This is from cleaning it out in the woods out on the road and not taking the proper precautions. One of our Mud Tracks products, give you your very first ever sneak peek. This one right here. This will prevent those swirls and those scratches. You can just spray this on. Mist it over the whole surface, real lightly wipe it, flip the towel, buff it off. It'll be super clean and it will not scratch your windshield like that. So, but to take it off, we're gonna remove all of the quick install straps. These are actually my preferred method for the windshields. It just makes it super easy. I know they have clamps and other quick connect things, but I just like to keep it simple with these straps. All right, so I'm gonna take the bottom piece off. The top piece, I'm going to undo this bolt from this bracket up here first. Just 11 millimeter nut and bolt. Actually, is it? Oh, I grabbed the 12. I grabbed the wrong size, hang on a second. So 11 millimeter, ouch, 11 millimeter nut and 11 millimeter bolt. I'm just going to remove this one. I don't necessarily think I need there's another one up here at the very top. I don't think I need to take that out. Ooh, I got new hardware, so that's okay. Pull this stuff out, and then we're going to undo these quick connect straps on the top part. These things are really, I mean, I've taken this thing off 100 times and this Velcro is still as strong as the very first day. And now it's time to install the new one. So with your windshield, you get this bag that has the mounting hardware for up top. This I've found that you do have to bend a little bit to make it fit properly, which honestly is no big deal. I just install the top part first, bend it to where it's supposed to fit, and that's it. You have the hardware to connect everything, which we will go through, and you also get your quick connect straps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll come with 6. You'll have 4 for the top part of the windshield and 2 for the bottom part. To install the bottom part first, you want to leave this protective covering on both sides while you install it, just so you don't have to worry about any kind of scratches or anything like that. But you'll be able to fit this on here and pretty much see exactly where it needs to go. You'd pretty much just bring it down, push it back to where it fits snug, and then we'll go ahead and attach it with these straps. Feed the strap through like so, back around, through the loop. And we're not going to do these super tight yet, we're just going to kind of get them on there. You never know when you may need to adjust this stuff. The way I like to install this is I like to put that top mounting plate in first. I don't like taking the roof off, so I'm going to attempt to avoid that as much as I can. I get those lined up to where they're supposed to be. And then you'll have your hardware. Big washer goes on the outside of the windshield. Small washer and lock nut on the inside. Grab your wrenches and just tighten them down. Now I will adjust my mirrors because my passenger side one is just a little bit high. Those are on there pretty good. So I'll have to adjust these down a little bit, and then this will finally fit flush up against this bar. So in order to adjust this mirror, there are 4, god dang, Allen head bolts that you'll need to loosen up. And just slide it to where it needs to go. Then we'll tighten it back down. Then we'll strap everything down, peel the protective covering off, and she'll be done. So we'll install the quick connect straps. In these 4 spots. Now it's time to peel off the plastic. I'll have to loosen these straps to get this plastic out from underneath them, but at least it's safely on there. So you'll peel the outside. Peel what we can of the inside. And then before I clean it all up, I just want to start it, make sure it doesn't rattle. And I gotta find my keys first. Okay, so now that we've got it mounted and mostly cleaned up, I gotta get up here still. I'm gonna start it, make sure it doesn't rattle or make any noise. No noise at all. No noise at all. These cutouts are really nice. That was my biggest issue with the little gap that was in here before, was it didn't sit right on this bottom part, and every once in a while you get a real bad rattle from that. If I didn't have that, it probably wouldn't have bothered me so much, but I do really like the fact that it fits flush onto the bar and there's not that space anymore. Alright guys, and that's it. The new old, I guess, windshield from 3-Star Industries. Like I said, this one has the mirror cutouts that allow you to use the factory mirrors and allow the windshield to still fit flush against your roll cage. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I appreciate all the new subscribers. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. We are, as of filming this, we are a week from tomorrow. I will be in Mississippi with Blake. We've got a ton of stuff planned, and I am super, super excited about that. You'll see us at Main Street Cycle. You'll see us out at Mudslingers. You're probably going to see us at Blake Church and doing what he does. Try to film as much as I can, especially when I'm on the road. So you will be seeing a lot of stuff. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and have a wonderful day.